Global tuna trade posted a notable recovery in 2024, with total import volumes rising by 20% to 3 million tons and values approaching $12 billion. This rebound was driven by growing demand for raw frozen tuna, cooked frozen loins, and ready-to-eat tuna products, as well as stronger consumer interest in higher-value frozen fillets and loins. In Western and Central Pacific, skipjack catches remained subdued, keeping prices around $1,600 per ton. Yellowfin was steadier in that region. In the Indian Ocean, moderate catches held skipjack prices down, while yellowfin stayed firm. The Atlantic had a high proportion of small skipjack, resulting in shortfalls for canners and pushing prices higher. Are you enjoying this European market report? If you are, be sure to subscribe to our EU 3-Minute Market Insight email list below to receive EU-specific seafood market insights in the future. Overall, buyers should expect moderate catches, stable but elevated skipjack prices, and particularly tight raw material availability in the Atlantic. For import and exports, whole frozen tuna imports climbed by 30% worldwide, led by Thailand at 41% of total imports. Fresh tuna purchases dropped on cost and supply concerns, but frozen fillets and loins saw strong demand in Japan, the EU, and the United States. Global canned and processed tuna imports increased by 9%, with Thailand's exports rising 31%. Ecuador, China, Spain, and the Philippines also posted notable gains. For buyers, Thailand, Ecuador, and China offer competitive pricing and consistent supply, especially for semi-processed tuna. Regionally, United States canned tuna rose slightly, and frozen fillet imports increased by 17%, with fresh tuna demand still driven by restaurants. In Europe, strong catering sector demand lifted fresh frozen imports, and semi-processed cooked loins grew by 7%. Japan's fresh frozen whole imports declined, but deep frozen fillets jumped by 36%. China's premium tuna market kept growing despite Japanese seafood restrictions. In the Near East and North Africa, canned tuna demand stayed steady, with Thailand supplying over 130,000 tons. Buyers can expect stable U.S. prices unless restaurant demand shifts, strong EU competition for cooked loins, high-grade fillet opportunities in Japan, and Thailand's continued dominance in Nina. European prices for whole skipjack, yellowfin, and cooked loins remain stable, while skipjack prices in the Western and Central Pacific have risen from earlier 2024 levels. Thailand's strong inventories suggest short-term price stability, though Easter demand in Europe may elevate spring order volumes. Japan's sashimi market is quieter post-New Year, but is expected to rebound during April-May 2025. For buyers, no immediate price spikes are likely, but watch for a seasonal uptick in premium sashimi demand. Overall, tuna supplies remain relatively stable thanks to robust 2024 carryover stocks, and consumer demand for both raw and processed products is strong. Nonetheless, prospective U.S. trade tariffs could quickly alter pricing and sourcing strategies. Our recommendation is to secure inventories early and to closely monitor market and policy changes. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our 3-Minute Market Insight to get our market updates straight to your inbox. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This has been Mariana, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.